Let's talk about personal priorities and assignments in ClickUp. So this is a little bit of a quick refresher on two things that come up a lot in ClickUp. Personal priorities, so the important stuff for you, and the bottom tray. So looking at my ClickUp, I often get the question of, you have a menu on the bottom and the top. We are going to be focusing on this bottom tray and why it might be empty for you. So at the bottom of ClickUp, there is a task tray where you can keep your personal priorities, as you can see right here with one priority. It can be more. It can be more to really stay visible while you work in ClickUp. So if you don't see the priority on the bottom left task tray, it doesn't mean your ClickUp is broken. It usually just means you haven't added any priorities to your priorities list yet. So the tray with the priorities only shows tasks after you assign them to your ClickUp priorities. To add a task to your personal priorities, go to the there's actually multiple ways. You can assign personal priorities and you can create them, right? When you are in my tasks, and you can see right here, there's my priority. Let's clear this as a priority for a second. You can see the priorities as well as personal task list. So let's create a personal task priority, which is, let's just keep it personal task to keep this clean. We created a personal task. This is only just your tasks, right? Only yours. Doesn't include all of your business tasks. This is your tasks. And then we have a priority field in here. Now this is a little bit confusing. We don't actually create a task in here. We link tasks in here. So I can add my personal task to the priority. I can add any kind of business tasks to this priority. This priority list pulls from your personal priority list. Too many P's. From your personal task list as well as your business tasks. Again, this add task here initially, before, when you don't have any priorities in here yet, it says create a task. It's not really a create task in this view. However, if you have your ClickUp connected to your calendar and you're working in here, you see all of the things, then what you can do is you actually can add a priority here, but also create a priority task right in here. So if the task doesn't exist yet, you can actually create it from here. So a little bit different. To repeat, if you are in your My Task view and you are in your priorities and you first time add something, don't get confused with create a task. This is adding tasks. I personally prefer to work with priority tasks through the planner. You might potentially even have an automation running, a super agent like I do, that prioritize tasks for me based on specific data points. And then if something really isn't a priority anymore, you have your priority flag in here and you can easily move it off the priority. Now that means it's not a priority anymore, but it's still in potentially to do. You need to mark it complete for this task to be complete. Just removing the priority flag will not close the task. Now, if you are ever unsure if a task is already assigned to you or not, simply open up the task and you can see within the task view, number one, it is on my priority, but it's not actually assigned to me. However, I can see which priority level it has in somebody's personal priority. This also helps us really with clear communication and know what is going on. And with that, again, priority tasks now show up in your bottom left corner. If you hover over and you just let your mouse sit there, it shows you. You have it in your planner view with priorities where you can also create new tasks. It will automatically create new tasks within your personal to-do list. So create new tasks, you can see it creates the task in your personal to-do list. You can add priority by finding existing business tasks and moving them in here. Or in your home view under My Task, you have your priority list right in here. And if you're unsure how to handle something in ClickUp, talk to your internal ClickUp champion, talk to your manager, or if you're working with me, mention me and send me a message and I'll help you work through it together.